Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to unveil the power of waterless washing, a revolutionary way to keep your car spotless without using a single drop of water. Sponsored by Entourage Auto Detail Professionals, stay tuned to discover how you can transform your car cleaning routine. Waterless washing is not only convenient but also eco-friendly. Traditional car washes can use up to 150 gallons of water per wash. With waterless washing, you save water and reduce harmful runoff. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of waterless washing. First, shake the bottle well. Next, spray the product onto a microfiber cloth in the car's surface. Gently wipe in a circular motion. Finally, use a clean microfiber cloth to buff the surface to a shine. Waterless washing isn't just for convenience, it's also safe for your car's paint and easy to use anywhere. Plus, it's perfect for those living in water-restricted areas. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And don't forget to check out our apparel store for all your detailing needs. See you next time.